All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What my wife and I are doing today is we're going to transform the passed on four-wheeler. We're going to go ahead and repaint it, new lights and everything for our little guy Major. He's the last of four, and each kid had it personalized for him. And I mean, this thing's been it's a tank. It just runs and runs. So we're going to go ahead and get this all done for him. But right now we need to get the plastics off, get them pressure washed, then we'll start painting and start getting everything done. All right, let's go ahead and spray her down. All right, so my wife's masking off the warning labels on there, and she's gonna start sanding that and getting ready for paint. And I'm gonna do the little sides, the hard part.
feel like
Alright, so here we are where the magic happens. She's getting ready to make the vinyls. And I think you're going to like them when they come out, when everything's all done. And if you're looking for any personalized vinyls, stickers, stuff like that, go ahead and send us an email at whitehousefarmvet@gmail.com. And whatever you can think of, pretty much my wife can make for you. And we'll go ahead and quote your price and go from there. Alright, so we got the front piece here and we got one of our logos done. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cool.
here.
I think Major's gonna like his new four-wheeler.
I sure hope so.
That looks cool.
Cool. Just make sure I get everything down.
There we go. That looks awesome.
Cool.
Alright, let's get this four-wheeler done. Alright, so we got her cleaned up pretty good. Checked everything, tightened everything. Got it all set. Ready to have the plastics put back on. Make sure to check out the video on cleaning the carburetor and doing the air filter and other stuff on here. Do a little bit of touch up with the paint. But we are ready to start putting the plastics on. And that came out pretty cool. Wait till you see what my wife's putting on it. It's gonna be even cooler. This thing is looking good. Oh yeah. All right.
Thought they'd be cute up. I was thinking up here. Well, it'd be mud like. Because originally I wanted to put something here, but that was too small.
That.
I can make it fit. Yeah, we can do that and then put something else on there.
Yeah, I like
You like
it.
that?
I like it, Mom.
How's it look? Straight?
Yeah, looks cool. All right, got the last of the decals on. Oh, I thought that was goat poop at first.
I know.
It's his footprints. That is cool. And you made all these on your Criquet, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so if anyone wants anything specially made, Lauren can make them for you. Just let us know. Send us an email at whitehousefarmvet@gmail.com. Wow. This thing looks brand spanking new.
How many kids did it go through?
4 kids.
Plus Joey's kid.
Yeah, plus our buddy Joey, his kid too. Big shout out to Joe. Thank you. This 4-wheeler has been awesome.
That's for sure.
So we're all set with the makeover. Make sure to watch the video on installing the lights. As you notice, those are on there now. Those weren't on there earlier. But that's in a separate video, how to install lights on these. Because there's no batteries on the little 50s. And we'll show you how. A little bit of mud on it from earlier. Someone's coming. Are you excited?
Yeah, that looks good. It just needs its decals.
Tied it.
All right.
Right?
And we're also working on the helmet to match. The helmet actually came out pretty good
Yeah, just needs its decals.
too. Wow. You got lights too, Mage.
Yep.
So what do you think of your 4-wheeler?
Did.
Good? You love it?
Yep.
Did Mommy do a good job?
Yep.
Daddy do a good job?
Yes.
Look, did you see your claws over here and your goat
Yeah, look at your goat.
footprints?
Yep.
He's like, I just want to ride. You've been waiting all day, huh?
Yep.
All right. All right, so we're all set here. 4-wheeler is done. Make sure to check out the video on installing the lights, and I got other videos on it, on the carburetor, air filter, all that good stuff. So once again, we hope you like,
Subscribe
enjoy,
and ring that notification bell.
and we'll see you on the next one. All right.
Yeah, just get down of here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So cool.
The dad, I would put the battery in.
Mud life. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.